3 is equal to operator in Python programming language is used to test for equality of two operands given to it or subject to it. The operator is represented with two or double equal signs. Given A is equal to B, it returns true if and only if A is equal to B. This is the example we have on this very Python's comparing operator. 5 is 5 equal to 5, and the output is true. And yes, because 5 is equal to 5. And the second example we have is it 3 plus 3 equal to 6, and the output yes is true because 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And the third example is 5 star star 2 or 5 square, is it equal to 10, and the output is false because 5 square is never equal to 10. And the fourth example we have is 3 mod by 2, is it equal to 0. In case you're having problem with these mods, I have done it in one of my previous video, modulo operator, so you can refer back to that video, modulo operator or Python modulo operator. So the output is false because 3 mod by 2 is never equal to 0, and 5 in the fifth example is 6 mod by 2, is it equal to 0, and the output is true because 6 mod by 2 is equal to 0. Thank you.